Olivier from WildAndGame. Today with a venison bolognese recipe. For the venison bolognese, we're using 250 grams of minced venison, 120 grams of minced pork, 2 thin slices of bacon, piece of celery, carrots, onions, 1 clove of garlic, concentrate tomato, a tomato can, salt, pepper, seasoning, provencal herb, chili flake, white wine, Parmesan cheese and some oil, and the tagliatelle. Let's start with some oil in a hot pot. Put the mix herb, a nice little flavor. Now we chop the bacon in the pan. Now we add the ground venison and the minced pork. Some salt. Now with the vegetables, the celery chopped roughly, the carrots chopped roughly, the onions big dice, and 1 clove of garlic. So now we put all in the mixer with a bit of olive oil and the chili flake. These vegetables are now ready. Now we move back to the pan where the meat is sizzling. We need that noise to add the white wine with 1 quarter cup of wine. Now we're adding the vegetables to the mince. Got a beautiful flavor coming out of it now. And now we add the cans. It's a large can of tomato. And 2 teaspoons of concentrate tomato. Now we leave it for 15 minutes to simmering at a medium heat with the lids on. Moving with the garlic bread, we pre-slice, part slice the baguette. Now we add the garlic butter in the middle. So it's a garlic and parsley butter. Now this bread in a baking tray in the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. In a boiling water, salty boiling water, we put the tagliatelle for 2 persons. It's 3 minutes cooking in this water. It's a good time to check the seasoning, salt and pepper. Now the pastas are just ready, so we're going to strain them. Back in a pot with some olive oil. Fine touch of salt. The garlic bread is now ready. Ooh, very tasty bread. Now we're ready to serve tagliatelle. A large portion of this tasty venison bolognese. And some fresh basilic. Here we are the venison bolognese with tagliatelle, the garlic bread and some parmesan. Bon appétit!